Good morning, Vipin.
Good morning. Yes, share your screen.
Yeah.
All right. Open a command prompt. Last time we have installed all the tool.
Yeah.
So let's now today understand if you are a developer, how you are going to work on a different kind of a project. Project which can be a .NET project which can be a Java project, right? So all different project
Mhm.
which you can work on when you are working on the tool. So just say cd /. Very good. cd space slash a space. Give a space.
Okay.
No. cd. Remove this slash.
Okay. Mhm.
A space. Then give a slash.
Oh, slash. Okay.
Yes. Just type md uh, project. Hit
Enter.
enter. Say cd project. Very good. I give you a certain command.
Yeah.
Just copy and paste in a notepad. And
Yeah.
very good. Now,
Mhm.
now go and start making one by one.
Okay.
So what is the first project is doing? First is going to create a web app for you. The name of the web app is TPCS web app.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you want, you can change this name.
Okay.
Right?
Mhm.
Just right click this one, copy and paste.
Here.
Yeah, hit enter. So it is going to create a web app project for you.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is how developer is going to work on a project.
Okay.
So what it is going to create? It is going to create a project structure for you.
Okay.
All right. Now go to cd TPCS web app. Now it's actually create. Just
ED.
press tab. Yeah, hit enter. Say code space dot. Yeah,
Enter.
hit enter. Yes. Now look at that. The whole code is there, right? Now go to terminal.
Yeah.
Go to terminal. Say new terminal. If you want to run this code, since it is a .NET, how will you run? You have to type .NET space build. Wait,
It's not allowing me to type. So this is PowerShell only, right?
hit enter. No, still it is initializing. Yeah, it's coming now, right? So if you have to run this .NET code, how the developer will run? They say .NET. Just type .NET.
So I think it is slow.
It's slowing, huh?
Yeah.
No. Press Control C. Can you go to your start button and site percent temp percent? Just type percent temp temp percent. Click that one. Just say Control A. Shift delete. Say yes. Now go to Task Manager. Yeah, just say skip. Say skip, 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 skip. Go to Task Manager. Check what how the task is coming. Have you uninstalled Avast?
Yeah. Uninstall. Yes.
Your memory is still going 93%. Okay, hold on. So what it is eating? Can you right click Microsoft Edge and say close on? Yeah. So many Microsoft Edge, right? Wait, wait, it's all closing one moment. Again close. Yeah. So basically your Edge is eating a lot of
Yeah.
I think it's okay now. Okay, so go back now. Say .NET, just remove this one and type .NET build. Build means compile, okay?
Okay.
Hit enter. It is going to check your code. whether your code is up or not. Yes. So what do you get?
Build
Your
success.
build is happened. Now look at the problem. You remember that day I was telling that as a developer, if you do a build and then run and then test, half of your time gone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's a small code, so you just take at least 1 minute. Look,
Yeah.
what will happen if you have a real project? It will
Okay.
take half an hour, 1 hour to build only.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now
Yes.
run it. How will you run it? Just say .NET space run.
Enter.
Enter. Correct. Now you say that localhost 5000. Just go to browser and type, open a browser and type localhost 5000. I think we have closed your browser, so you have to open. Okay, localhost. In the night and all, you just shut down the laptop and morning you start the laptop.
Okay. So this laptop never shut down. That is a problem. I kept it open with power on always. Because night almost 2:30 or 3:30, I'll close my company's laptop.
Okay.
So this will be like lid is close only. Because sometimes what happens, power goes,
Hmm.
then there will not be battery. So I just put charge all the time. Actually, they have in IBM, they have recognized me yesterday.
Oh, okay. Okay. Good. Yeah. Finally, huh?
No, actually, I completed now almost five years now in IBM.
Yeah. Yeah.
So SQL, so they are now IBM is changing to new company. Company name they have not kept now.
Oh, okay.
New
So you are
company.
also entitled for your gratuity, right?
Uh, yeah, I think 5 years. Two
After 5
5
years, generally entitlement comes. Just type localhost colon 5000
5,000.
colon. Yeah,
Enter.
you have to give colon, right?
All are given.
Localhost colon.
Yeah, I given.
Yeah, and just say advance. Look at that. Yeah, advance and say continue to localhost and save. Yes,
Yeah.
you get welcome screen.
Yes.
Yeah, go back now. Let's update the code. So go back. Say Control C to stop the running first. Oh my God. Go back to views option. Views folder on the left hand side. Views. Yeah, yeah. Below. Yeah. Go to home. Index.chtml and just say to welcome to what Maharashtra. Yeah, go file, save all. Another 45 minutes because you again have to do build.
Sorry.
Go for build. Say build, .NET build. So what time your lunch time, Gopi?
My lunchtime, usually there is no time for me. So like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock,
Yeah.
1 o'clock.
If you are a developer, you don't have a time at all.
Yeah, that is my, I actually habituated after coming to a SQL environment.
Say .NET run and go and refresh the screen.
So now, yeah,
Correct?
yeah,
Yeah. But it is again asking, it is asking something like some security key and all, right? Go back to the notepad. Go back to the notepad.
okay.
Yes. So first you have to add a new solution document. So click .NET new SLN. Yeah. Go and hit.
But to run in Visual Code, right?
Yeah. Just say Control C. Yeah. Run this one. Yeah. So it is going to use create new solution for your document. Now you get a new solution. Look at that this side.
Yeah, I got it.
Yes, correct. Click that one. So here it is mentioned everything that which type of CPU required to run this code, what is
Okay.
your version, right? All instruction is given here, right?
Yeah.
Now go back to the next code. Now run the second command. Yes.
Oh, this is for trusting the domain.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Everything is done. Now you have to do .NET build and run again. But what I want that this build and run now should be taken over by someone else here because it's taking all my time, right? So first you have to put this code into the GitHub, right?
Okay.
So go and open a GitHub quickly. Create a new repository. Create a new repository. You have to sign in. Type your email, I think. Create a new repository. Give it a name. TPCS app. Without initializing, right click and say, scroll down and just say create. So it will give you a command, right? So go and run the command first, git init. Remember, last day of git we did that. You just clear the screen first. CLS. Yeah. Just say git init, then git a space add a space dot. No, not readme. You have a thousand of file now to add. Git a space add a space dot. Dot means everything in the root directory add it. Hit enter. Yeah. Just say now git remote. Go back to your GitHub.
Huh?
Yeah. 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 You forget to add one more file that is called git readme.md. Okay. So just click the TPCS web app and then go to the manual file. Not here, not here. On left hand side in the ID. Go up, go up, go up. Just you have a plus sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get readme in capital letter READ dot MD just small. Yeah, hit enter. Just type this is a sample
Sample.
wave. Yeah, yeah. File save as. You have to again save all. You again have to add because you have added it already. Just say git add, run the git add, git a space add a space dot. Yeah, hit enter. Now say git a space commit -m a space in a double quote any message. Yes, hit enter. Now just say git push. We'd add all the files. Say git a space push hyphen all. Hit enter. Yeah, go back and refresh your GitHub. Yes, correct. Now go back to Jenkins. Open localhost 8080. Localhost 8080. No. Jenkins is installed, right?
Yeah.
Just type localhost colon 8080. Localhost colon 8080. I hope this is the Jenkins you have, or you have some other. Uh, it was 8080, or you have given something else.
Mm,
Forget.
yeah.
Can you open a Firefox? I think it is in Firefox, right? Let's check in Firefox. You get just type localhost, you will get it.
Right. It's not working. So Jenkins,
Yeah, you get? No?
no, I think Apache Maven is we have installed. Node is installed. Node.js installed, but Jenkins not installed.
So can you go to your YouTube video? Click take place. Go in the last. Yeah. No, go to playlist. This one. This one, second one. Click that one.
Good morning. Good morning.
Not this is not you. This is not you. Go back. Go up. You remember your code?
What, where to check? I don't know actually. Where we have done.
Can you click this one? DevOps IN29 CD.
And sold.aws.
No. Hold on. One second, copy. Let me
Okay.
check. Where your is copy. Your is DevOps IN29 CD. DevOps IN India 29 CD.
It's going to some other video.
I think you have opened someone else. Give me permission.
Real world scenario.
It's a DevOps G. It's a your is only DevOps. Your is only DevOps. Hold on, let me ping you one video, and from there you can get your. Just open this link.
Welcome to this session. Get started. We have already seen that one of the major and the very basic use of Docker is it resolves the problem of
In a chat box, I have pasted YouTube link. Yeah, hold on. So you get this one below. You have one is G, huh? One is without G. Just look at that where it is.
Okay. Div G.
Yeah, this one. This one is yours, but it does not give you permission. Why? You log in with same ID.
Yeah. 1 second.
DevOps IN 29 CD.
1 second. 1 second. I think this is a different ID.
It is not subscribed. Hold on. Now just look at that. What is the fuck happening? Hold on. I'm going to a playlist. "29 CD." Yes, it is public. Which video it is saying? It's a 9,000. Your is 9,000.
9,000?
Yeah. Localhost 9000.
Okay.
Go to services and check your Jenkins services is running or not. No, it's not 9000. Hold on. My friend.
Right. I'm just closing.
Oh, Gopi. You do not remember your port, huh? Just say Jenkins. Are you able to locate Jenkins? Just type J.
No, I'm not able to speak. J. J is not there yet.
Not there, no? Hello?
Yeah, it's not there.
Not there, huh? Okay, no problem. Okay. Then we will do it when we have a Jenkins, okay? Just close this one. Now just open the notepad again. So to run any .NET command, what is the flow we have? .NET
Build and run.
build and run, right?
Yeah.
Now just go to GitHub and download any Java program. Go to my GitHub. Just say TPCS Java. Yeah. Just search me. Just search me. Yes. Just type my name. Vipin. Enter. Very good. Click me. Very good. Click me. Yeah. Just in a repository, go and search TPCS. Just type here TPCS Java. No. Java. Yeah. Yes. Click that one. Click the URL. Click the code. Click the URL. Click the code. The green color code. Yeah. Very good. Come back to your command prompt. Just type here. Just close this one. We don't need now. Close this BSC code. Yeah. Just say cd dot dot. Hit enter. Now just say git a space clone. Clone a space. Right click. Right click. Yeah. Hit enter. So it is going to download all the code to your repository. Now say cd tpcs java.git. Just say tab now. Just press tab. Hit enter. Hit enter. Hit enter. Hit enter.
Not working.
Yeah, hit enter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just say code space dot.
Dot. Code space dot, right?
Enter. So in this repository, I have a lot of Java program. For example, afg.java. Click that one. What this program does, it is going to print a star 1 to 5. Okay. So how will you run that? Just say terminal. Go to terminal. Terminal. Say new terminal. Now you are learning Java program. Okay. .NET. Everything started with the word .NET, right?
Yeah.
Now in a Java, everything starts with the word Java. So say Java, and there we have a .NET build. Build means compile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Here we have Java C. Java C is a compiler. Space and type afg.java. All are in capital. So in Java, afg. G. Look at that first program. .java. Yeah, hit enter. So it compiled the program. Again, it is going to take time, right? A small program, so all fine. Now just say Java AFG, only the file name. Hit enter. What is going to do? It print
Yeah.
star in a loop.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have a second program which is going to compute your electricity bill. So click that one. Compute electricity bill. So it's a huge program which is going to take how much unit of electricity you have, and then it's going to compute, right? You can watch the program if you want.
Mhm.
So it is, yeah, this program is going to complete. So on the basis of the unit which you give in the last, go up little bit up. In the last, come in the last line.
Mhm.
Last line.
Last line.
Yeah, just up little up. More up. So if your electricity unit is 250, okay,
Mhm.
then it is going to calculate some price for you. So let's run it. How will you run it? Again, same program, Java C. Just say clear the screen. Java C space. Just say capital C and press tab. Yeah, hit enter. Java capital C and press. Remove the class. Yeah, hit enter. It is going to
Right.
yeah 3500, right? Now change the unit to, let's say, 350. So above I have given a dollar price, so it will change. Just say 3. Yeah, save it.
It's all right.
Yeah, save all. Again, you have to go in same process. Java C. Yeah. Oh no, Java. Then
Yeah.
so what do you understand from both the program, .NET and Java?
So compiling, building, everything is same. Nothing is different.
Yes, it takes time, right?
Yeah.
And this is what exactly the pain for a developer. Developer say that once I start compiling, I can't do anything, right? Till the time compilation does not complete.
Yeah.
So if your compilation take 45 minutes, then
Yeah.
correct, huh?
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. So this is going to be a problem.
Mhm.
So this is how we are going to resolve the problem.
Mhm.
Then I am going to take these two tasks. Which one? Build and run task.
Okay.
From developer hand to CI/CD tool.
Okay.
Okay. So we
Okay.
are going to start your Jenkins tomorrow.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right.
Mm.
Chalo. See you tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye. Okay.